Markaz Academy, Golpara celebrates Zubeen Garg's birthday with a special morning assembly. Markaz Academy, Golpara, observed a uniquely memorable morning assembly today in celebration of the birthday of Assam's musical icon Zubeen Garg. The event beautifully blended spirituality, patriotism, cultural appreciation, musical tribute, and academic recognition, making the day truly special for students and staff alike. The program began with a recitation of a surah from the Holy Quran, setting a serene and spiritually uplifting tone. The melodious recitation created an atmosphere of reflection and peace, reminding students of the importance of beginning every endeavor with the remembrance of the Almighty. Following the recitation, the students collectively delivered the national pledge, their voices echoing with unity and determination. The pledge emphasized values such as honesty, discipline, and devotion to the nation, virtues that Zubeen Garg himself has often reflected through his humanitarian and cultural contributions. To honor the celebrated singer, the school conducted an engaging session of quiz questions based on Zubeen Garg's life and achievements. Students enthusiastically participated, showcasing their knowledge of the artist's musical journey, social work, and impact on Assamese culture. The quiz brought excitement to the assembly while deepening cultural awareness among the learners. A highlight of the morning was an inspiring speech by Mizanur Rahman sir, who reflected on Zubeen Garg's multifaceted legacy. He spoke about the artist's unwavering dedication, creative versatility, and lasting influence on the youth of Assam. In his remarks, Sir encouraged students to draw inspiration from Zubeen's perseverance and to cultivate their own talents with sincerity and passion.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And very good morning to all of you. Today, we lost our beloved singer Zubeen Garg. You know very well.
Yes, sir.
Today is birthday. You know? You don't know? Yes. So 18th November 1972 is date of birth. So after that we will start your certificate regarding Insta to Sirat Nabi program. Now I would like to invite our Mizanur sir say some words regarding Zubeen Garg. Please say some words.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today is 18th of November. We know that it's the birthday of our E.R. Amotu or Heartthrob of Assam, right? He born on 18th of November 1972, and from his very young age he started singing, and till now we know that he sang more than 40,000 songs and more than 40 different languages, right? But do we know him for his 40,000 songs? No, we didn't listen his 40,000 songs, and we don't know 40 languages. But we know that by his nature towards the needy and the less privileged people. We know that his 90% of income goes to the needy people and less privileged people. By that we know him as a kind nature. In his last film, Roi Roi Binale, he said a dialogue that I am an artist, and artist ejone ketiao rojar hoin noroi, teo projar hoi roi. So by this we know that he was from among us. He is for the people, not the ruler, right? So by this we know that our E.R. Amotu was a very kind person and he lives for the people. And we know that 2 months ago we lost our gems. On 19th of September 2025 we lost our Heartthrob of Assam. So it's a loss of all of us, right? We lost him. Today, 18th of November 2025, we would like to tribute him to sing a few lines of Maya Bini Rakhi Bukul. So I would like to invite Mullah sir to join us and Nubifa ma'am and all the ma'ams to join us to sing a few lines for him.
The assembly continued with a touching musical tribute as students performed the popular Zubeen Garg song Maya Bini.
Maya Bini Rakhi Bukul Dekha Palu Tumar Soli Khara Dila Tumi Jamal
The soulful rendition captivated the audience and served as an emotional homage to the beloved singer, whose music continues to resonate across generations. Adding further significance to the day, the school conducted the certificate distribution ceremony for the winners of the Seertun Nabi SOS program. Students who excelled in the program, focused on the life and teachings of Prophet Muhammad SOS, were honored for their knowledge, dedication, and moral understanding. Their achievements were celebrated with enthusiastic applause, highlighting the school's commitment to fostering academic and spiritual excellence. The morning assembly concluded on a high note, having successfully combined cultural celebration with educational values. The event not only honored the birthday of Zubeen Garg but also reinforced the school's mission to inspire holistic growth among its students. Markaz Academy, Golpara, once again demonstrated how meaningful school events can cultivate unity, appreciation for cultural icons, and pride in both heritage and character.